new GMC Denali 2500 HD. It's weird, all the new government regulations and all the lights they got to put in it. This truck is just locked. Massive. Holy. Take the gas caps, because of course somebody's going to steal those. Super lame and boring rims, as they always do on these HD trucks. Even when you're in the Denali, you can't have any fun. It's got this weird split tailgate, to which I just extensively reviewed. The truck's obviously locked. For such a massive truck, the tiny rear window just looks hilarious. God forbid they put a proper functioning, semi-good looking window in the back. These running boards, holy. They look like pontoons that could land an airplane. Side steps, kind of like that. Could never get my foot that high, so that's an irrelevant feature. Mirrors are massive and actually look like they might function quite well. Interior, stereotypical GMC, nothing overly special. I just cannot get over how tall this is. Like, I'm eye to eye with the hood line on this truck. What a behemoth. This thing would look pretty ridiculous going down the road with a big load on back. Holy Batman.